Hi, so I received this package from Amrita. They wanted me to try out their new Paleo Bites. So I thought I'd give a little review for you guys. I already unboxed it. The box is so cute. Look, it says, "Nourish your passion." I love that. So here's the flavors. And their fancy, pretty packaging. There's chocolate coconut, mango coconut, chocolate mint, dark chocolate espresso, and apple cinnamon. The ingredients are really simple. It's just dates, sunflower seeds, coconut, cacao, stuff like that. Here's all of them. And I love that it's just 1 gram of sugar. Just what I need. So, let me do a quick little review. So I tried this. Oh my god, it's like an apple cinnamon Pop-Tart. It's just melt in your mouth. Goodness. Oh, I just love it. And this is like a healthy version of a Thin Mint, which I've only had once in my life, but they're just so good. And this is mango coconut, which is mango and coconut are two of my favorite things ever. So this is like heaven on earth to me. And this is chocolate coconut, which is just as good. I can't even pick a favorite because they're all so amazing. And the last one is dark chocolate espresso, which, oh my god. I just wish there were more bites in each package because this is just too good. Okay guys, you should really try out this company and go buy their Paleo Bites on their website.